Hi everyone, welcome to Couples Typewrite. In today's video, we will learn how to do concatenation in Excel. So let's start. Firstly, we'll learn what concatenation is. So basically, when you want to merge two cells or two values into one singular cell or many values in a single cell, we have to use concatenation formula in that case. So let's see. We'll start typing is equals to concatenation. So first we'll choose by pressing tab. Our function will get selected. Now select the text you wanted to show at first. So in our case, suppose I wanted to show serial number on first place, then description on the after that serial number, and then shortcut key. So in that sequence, I will select the cells and close the bracket, press enter. So what will happen? All the values get clubbed in one single cell. Now, if I wanted to put some delimiter between those values, so what we have to do, we'll just copy this formula, press F2, and after the first text, after the comma, you put quotes, and suppose in our case I wanted to separate it with double hash. Again, close the quotes, comma, and we'll give space here also. Now the same after text 3, we'll put quotes, space, hash, hash, space, quotes, comma. So the delimiter what you wanted to put between the text, you have to put under quotes. And now press enter. So as you can see what happens, our first serial number came here as 2, then space with the hash, and then the next text will come. So likewise you can put the delimiter whatever you wanted to put as per your requirement. Now another way to do the concatenation is put equals to, select the first cell you wanted to put, then press Shift 7 number in your keyboard, which will came as ampersand. And then you select another description. So what will happen? Same value will come here also with this formula. So it's up to you the formula you wanted to use. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.